going to show you how to install Blesta 4.0.0. We're currently using beta 2. So all you need is terminal. As you can tell, we've already got our zip, so we've just got to unzip it. As so. As you can tell, we've already updated the server, installed everything we need, including MariaDB. So we're just going to be setting up Blesta, which is quite easy. And since we cannot use PHP 7 yet until the beta 3, we're going to remove that as well. Remove the zip. And there we go. So all we've got to do is unzip everything. Pretty straightforward. So now everything should be in a root. Got to make everything Apache. There we go. And we've removed all the files. We've already done C Linux. We've done the Apache. We've got the HTX. So everything should be there. So we just need to make the database. Please make sure that you do not use the password that we have here, just in case you do decide to accidentally follow the tutorial. There we go. Everything is there. We've got the database, and we're using PHP 5.6 with IonQ. Everything is there. So there we go. This is the new installer. We're going to do it through the web browser today. It's cool, sexy logo for Blesta. Terms and conditions, we've met all of the minimum requirements. We've also got all of the recommended. But as you can probably tell if you've installed 3.6, is that when you've loaded this, you then got to reload the page to check. So you just click reload and it will refresh everything. We're called stable2 and we've got bill_lang 2, password 123 exclamation mark, and install. As you can also see, there's a nice little installer, but it didn't actually work that time. I'll have to make sure that's actually legit and it didn't take long. And you got the 30-day trial and the license key. We're going to use the trial, so Michael Dance, mycardlicense.com. We don't use that, so it's not in the world. We'll use the Safari password just for the sake of it. And voila! There we are, we're inside of 4.0.0-b2. And it looks so nice with the new design. And some people were moaning before about the sub menu. So Blesta have made it with a drop down menu for the ones you don't. So you can actually just drag your mouse around the menu to actually show the other menus instead of clicking off and clicking on and clicking off, which can be a pain. As you can tell, it looks so much nicer. All the buttons have changed as well, but all the content is the same. If you go to the settings and say general, as you can tell, we don't have the links at the top now to tell us about that. And as you can see, someone on Skype wants me. And also, we've now got the tabs, so you don't have to go to plugins available and then go back. So you can just click on the ones that you want. You can see it's got most of the basics installed, and there's also the mass mailer. It's not installed by default, but we can't do the upload path. So that's the first step to do. If you go to settings, system settings, and general, you can see the upload folder is not writable. So to do that, all you do is, that message is irritating. What we'll do is cmod 777 uploads, and then move the uploads out of the folder. Oh, we've already got one. Yeah, we'll overwrite it. Did that actually work? I do not know. We'll soon find out. I don't think it's changed, to be fair. There we go, it's writable. And we've got the GeoIP already there. GeoIP. And now we go back to settings, general, because I'm lazy. I could have just gone straight to plugins. Available, and click on mass mailer. We can now what is going on there? I've never had that issue before. It's there. Right then. CD out. Let's remove the uploads folder. Make the uploads cmod 777. Uploads, might have if I got it right. There we go. Update settings. Is that a one folder in there? Probably not. That might be what's caused it, but I can't see why. Oh. Make the one. Can't even remember what folder it makes in there, to be fair. It's just, I did it wrong again. Ooh. Right, anyway. Let's try again. I've got it installed on my demo. I know it works. Why is the upload path not working? Right, so if I go and make an invoice picture, let me just go to the invoice customization. Will this upload? Let's say Chelsea's picture as our logo. Will that upload? No. I've mucked something up somewhere. Don't see what though. 'Cause that's right. Maybe I need to make the one. I know what I might have done. I know what I've done wrong. What an idiot, Michael. Crown. Apache. I know what I've done because I'm an idiot. And it's been recorded that I'm an idiot. Right, so Apache now, even though that's writable, now it will work, won't it? Let's go to plugins, available, mass mailer. It'll work now, won't it? No. Huh. Right then, I'm going to end the video there because I'm an idiot. So I'll try and work out what I've done wrong and do a video about installing a mass mailer then. So about that guys, and on to the next.